Now, have you ever noticed how developers are strangely attached to the things that they've built, even if it's held together with duct tape and bad syntax? Well, that's the IKEA effect in action. The IKEA effect refers to how people value things more when they've invested effort into creating them themselves, even if it's an uneven IKEA bookshelf or a buggy open source pull request. A 2011 study by Norton, Mochon, and Ariely confirmed that participants place greater value in items they disassemble themselves. Now, in their study, participants were asked to build basic items like IKEA-style furniture or origami. Even when these creations were objectively imperfect, the participants valued these self-assembled items way more than identical professionally assembled versions. And this demonstrated that the act of investing effort into creating something significantly enhanced its perceived value. Now, this has huge ramifications for developers, especially when those developers are submitting contributions to an open source project or building plugins, modules, or apps and contributing them to an ecosystem. When I was at Canonical building the Ubuntu community, we faced the IKEA effect every single day. You see, developers would spend hours working on contributions that they considered to be important, critical work to the broader success of Ubuntu. But not all of these contributions really had that kind of an impact, and some were, well, just not that great. And this required us to handle these situations with grace and respect. It meant appreciating them, their effort, and their commitment to Ubuntu, even if we weren't going to accept their contribution into the broader Ubuntu codebase. This is why it's absolutely essential to set expectations up front when it comes to code contributions. Have clear code submission guidelines with simple requirements about what should go into a pull request, as well as tests, docs, and other elements. This way, no one gets caught off guard.